Yes, so my correct people, I don come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. I bring you updates concerning wetin dey sup for inside Rivers State. You know say the Rivers State governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, im dey get political beef with im predecessor wey be RI0USLY. No be small matter, my correct people. The koko of the hour be say the Rivers State lawmakers now wey dey loyal to the minister of the Federal Capital Territory Wike and the state governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara. On Thursday they don draw battle line. They con dey exchange words based on the plan by the governor to renovate the state legislative quarters dem. Now as the governor of the Rivers State wey be Siminalayi Fubara con go visit the legislative quarters for inside Port Harcourt on Thursday, na im con yarn about im plan to renovate the buildings. But the lawmakers now wey dey loyal to the minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey dey led by their factional speaker wey be Martin Wike, im con raise alarm. He say red flag, say no go gree at all. Say this plan now wey the governor get to renovate the buildings say na part of their plot to demolish the legislative quarters, the same way wey im take pull down the House of Assembly for inside the month of December last year, wey be 2023. No be small matter, my correct people. Sharply make I yarn you wetin happen for inside December 2023. No say during the fight now between Fubara and im predecessor wey be the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Mr. Wike, e con get one explosion like that wey happen for inside the State House of Assembly last year. Despite the explosion now, the 27 lawmakers wey dey loyal to the FCT minister con find their way inside the complex and they con attempt to impeach the governor. Then on the 13th day of December 2023, the House of Assembly complex they con demolish am under the supervision of Fubara after the state government don yarn say the building e dey defective, and something wey dey defective e no good at all. Now my correct people, the governor of Rivers State wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara for inside the assembly quarters on Thursday, im con dey yarn say im don take an on-the-spot assessment. That is to say, im don touchlight am personally. Im assess the condition of the structures for a possible rehabilitation to make it livable. But responding to the visit now of the governor, Martin Wike con dey accuse Governor Siminalayi Fubara saying dey plot to demolish the residential quarters of the lawmakers. Im con dey yarn say e no get anything wey dey wrong with the buildings, say make the governor make him leave am like that. No be small matter, my correct people. I say it's plenty. If to say Martin Wike end there, for say the koko if for dey incomplete, but this man con proceed further, con dey condemn the action of the governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara. Im con dey allege say the governor im dey intimidate members of the house to demolish the facility wey be say na im predecessor wey be Wike, the current minister of FCT, na build am for inside the year 2022. According to how the speaker take yarn am, my correct people, he say e shock Rivers people when Governor Siminalayi Fubara im storm the House of Assembly quarters with another attempt to demolish the premises. Oga Wike consider yarn say country people now dey there dey look as the governor wey supposed to dey uphold the constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and extend the laws of the state. Im don become the chief breaker of the law and im dey break the law on a daily. Im say the assembly quarters wey be say na one of the best for inside the country Nigeria, and the person wey build am na the former governor of Rivers State and the current minister of Federal Capital Territory wey be Mr. Wike, and the person wey inaugurate am na Femi Gbajabiamila wey be the former speaker of the House of Representatives, and him now na the current chief of staff to our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Omo, the way this matter dey go, these lawmakers they no get joy at all. They no dey smile one bit for Sir Fubara, because as I'm talking to you right now, my correct people, the lawmakers dey yarn say dem dey disappointed in Sir Siminalayi Fubara. Dem dey very much ashamed of their governor wey no get respect of their constitution, wey no get respect of their laws, wey no still get respect for democracy. The speaker constantly expressed disappointment in the governor's undue interference. They say the Rivers State House of Assembly quarters now dem build am for members of the House of Assembly, no be for executive arm. Then for inside that same Thursday, Governor Fubara con drop a reply for inside statement wey dey issued by Nelson Chukwudi, wey be the chief press secretary to the governor. So according to how Sir Fubara take yarn am for inside his statement, my correct people, and he con start am with question. He say whether the assembly quarters now no be part of im property. whether e get anything wey dey wrong, e fit go by himself to go check how things dey be for that side, and then dey aware of the development say dem get new speaker, so him just go there now to go check for himself on how things dey be, say if he get one or two things wey be say he need to do for the betterment of the people. So na sorry Governor Fubara take yarn for inside statement, my correct person. Meanwhile, the All Progressive Congress and the People's Democratic Party for inside the states now, they don dey exchange words, no be small kwata, based on the visit of the governor to the assembly quarters. This matter serious to the extent wey be say Chibuike Ikenga, wey be the publicity secretary of the state APC caretaker committee, in Congo dey yarn for inside interview with Tori people, say the governor now dey intimidate the lawmakers dem. According to how Ikenga take yarn am, correct people, he say you no go fit just burst inside person house like that, or even their premises, without their knowledge. Say that kind thing, e no make sense. Coupled with the kind of security wey Governor Fubara come with, say this one na intimidation. Him burst inside place wey be say they don build and they don inaugurate am how many years ago. Say this one now, e no good at all at all. Then on the matter of the renovation wey Sir Fubara dey plan do, Ikenga come dey yarn say make dem comot body for that thing, say na plan work. Say they dey try to bring up situation wey be say they go pursue the people come outside from their place. Say that kind thing no make sense. Say na the same thing now wey him do for inside Rivers State House of Assembly complex. So na the same pattern wey Governor Fubara use that time, na him wan still use now, saying they intimidate the assembly members. Since they don refuse to bow down to intimidation, they come stand gidigba say they go do the right thing, and that na why the governor now in dey do wetin in dey do so. But the publicity secretary of the PDP, wey be Sidney Gbara, him come dey defend the governor. He say e no dey anything wrong there with wetin the governor dey try do. Say the man action, e make sense. According to how Sidney Gbara take yarn, my correct people, he say the new speaker now wey dey come, say na welcome development for them, because dem dey very tired. Dem dey sick and tired of the katakata and the beef wey don dey happen for inside the assembly, and they dey pray and they dey hope for new assembly leader to work in synergy, so that they go fit get peace, they go fit get a peaceful disposition for inside the Rivers State. So na so the koko be like, my correct people. Normally, you know say two captains no fit dey for one ship. These lawmakers now wey dey loyal to RI0USLY, wey be the current minister of FCT, if you torchlight this thing properly, you go see say wetin they dey do na rubbish. This man now in mind dey, na them no wan gree just say make dem support this man, na them no wan see the good in this man. Whether the man now dey see am for dream, because say their master now they get political beef with the governor of Fubara, them now they kukuma carry am for head. We no go blame them sha, because na politics, anything they want do, make them carry am with their head. But the thing be say e dey interfere with the goodness of the governor of Fubara now, because if you want do one thing or the other, you go come say in lawmakers wey suppose to dey stand by him who come dey fight against am. Those kind of things now the Rivers State fit no move forward. Mature men, lawmakers don come outside, dey come dey yarn say governor no suppose to burst in the assembly like that. That kind of thing no make sense. But the man say he's justified kwanu. The assembly na still my property. I just mark I can't torchlight wetin dey really dey sup, whether I get anything I go fit do for the betterment of the people, you understand? So why pants come dey tear on top the matter? Shey you get my correct person? Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free to make it drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, where they like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news they come, now you go first get the update and you go get them sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they will get the update on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring on out news for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.